Hello everyone, it's me Liz, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix the problem of you cannot go live on Instagram on your iPhone. If you click on the go live button but you still cannot go live on Instagram, and your YouTube is also not loading and your Instagram is also not properly loading, then this video is for you. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to go to your settings application here, and what you want to do is go to general, and then you want to go to your iPhone storage and then click on Instagram and then offload your application. Offloading your application will help free up the space and will also allow you to reinstall your application without losing any of the data. So your data and passwords will stay intact, but your app needs to be reinstalled again so that the unnecessary information collected by the app can be removed. So the thing what you want to do is offload, then reinstall. The next thing you can do is you can go to your app store and then search for Instagram and make sure that there is no update necessary for Instagram. As you can see here, no update is necessary, but if there are any updates, then please be updating this application as well. If you follow these two steps, then you'll be ready to have your live feature back. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's me, Elise, signing off. I'll see you in the next one.